guys, I transferred over the seafood into something better to eat from. Something in a tray there where you can see I lined it with parchment paper in a tray where you can see better what I'm eating. Let's get into the video, guys. Hi guys, thank you once more for being here, and let's get right into the video. And before I get into this mukbang, before I get into feasting on the seafood, I just want to give God thanks for providing for me. Father in heaven, I just want to say thank you for providing for me. Please provide, Lord, for those that don't have, and Lord, continue to bless us all in Jesus' name. And also, God, Lord, I would like to say a prayer out for St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Lord, continue to protect us all, and we thank you for all that you've done and all that you're about to do for us. In Jesus' name, amen. So guys, for the seafood mukbang, the seafood I have here I have my lemonade cheers that I made with lime and sugar and lemon. And this is the dipping sauce. So guys, if you did not see how I made this seafood boil, please go over to the video, okay, and check it out. Seafood boil, I love seafood boil, and it's my first seafood boil, guys. Okay, guys, the camera is on an angle which I'm not gonna keep moving it because it just won't stay steady. So I let it stay where it is, and I know you're not seeing my face fully, but at least you're seeing my mouth and you're seeing the seafood, which is important, okay? And let's get... Okay, so guys, I tasted this. And that's my dipping sauce. I poured some on, and then I don't want this thing to drip. But guys, I love seafood. Please comment down below and let me know if you love seafood. And this is my hot dog. Guys, the sausage that I choose the sausage that won't give me any reaction. Okay. It's good. And guys, I would like to speak a bit about breathing to as a way of healing. Okay. Just a bit. I won't say much on it, but just a bit. And this is shrimp. I have snow crab, and I have king crab and shrimp, and the shrimp cooks really fast. And that's my shrimp. It's good. And boiled 2 eggs that I'm gonna break. Here's my lobster. So in order not to make the video so lengthy, I'm going to break all of it, because the last time I checked, that's on my phone, I had like I think 4 gigs to work with. Okay, so I'm just gonna work with the scissors and remove the shell from the seafood so that I can just eat and talk in the meantime. And then also the corn, the frozen one, it is so sweet. You can tell. Just looking at it. Looking at it. It's good. I love it. Look at my crumb. This is a king crab or the snow crab, guys. I'm just going for the meat. Look at this. People with their seafood boil, guys, they wear a gloves, but no, it's okay for me, no gloves. Dip it in the dipping sauce. It's good. Potatoes. And my lemonade here. And guys, if you're from Jamaica, you'll know this type of cup. It's refreshing. And then guys, this is the sausage with the Asiago and loaded with kale. Okay, let me taste it. Not bad. It's supposed to be loaded with kale and Asiago. Actually guys, the scissors will help me here with the shrimp. It's good. I love it. I'm gonna break my egg here. Hard boiled egg. I made 2 eggs. Guys, it is so good. I am enjoying this. I went to Spadina and I bought shrimp. I got fresh shrimp and snow, was it king crab, I think I got snow crab. And for those of you guys that don't live in Canada, Spadina is in Toronto, downtown Toronto. Look at meat. Yum yum, yum yum, guys. Please give the video a thumbs up. It's good. But seafood, guys, seafood is costly. I'm telling you. But it's worth it. It's worth it because if you go to, Red Lobster or Red Lobster, Red Lobster's in Canada, the seafood is costly, so buying the seafood yourself and making it, it's worth it. Because with these big, is this king crab or snow crab? I think the guy said, maybe, I don't remember. But looking at it's either king or snow crab. This one, you have $30 something a pound, guys. When I picked up like maybe 3 or 4, it's at $60. I'm like, oh my god, I thought it was cheaper. But I bought it. I thought about Red Lobster, and I bought it. I spent the money. Look at my lobster meat. Oh, good. Wow. My hot dog. And when eating seafood boil, this is how your hands are gonna look, okay? Your hands are not gonna look cleaner. And I had some king crabs here, the frozen ones that I cooked. I love egg, guys. I love hard-boiled egg. Truly is good. So guys, let me just say that you can use deep breathing to create an environment in your body favorable to healing. You can use it to reduce the impact of stress, relax, and calm yourself. Stop an automatic reaction to a situation and create a pause to allow you to act rather than react. Stop a negative thought from occurring or minimize its effect and refocus your mind. Deep breathing is good for you guys. It helps you to heal. Not just deep breathing that helps you to heal, but along with a proper diet, exercise, and it works. The deep breathing helps. And we get it as long as you're getting enough rest. And I just want to stress the importance of breathe, deep breathing, deep breathe in and out. Okay, guys, that's very important. And I'm speaking from experience also. Okay, deep breathing is sometimes called diaphragmatic breathing, natural breathing, or abdominal breathing. The breath is focused in the diaphragm rather than in the chest. Deep breathing serves to trigger relaxation, which causes the blood capillaries to expand, allowing more oxygen to travel to locations where healing is needed. Deep breathing using our diaphragm efficiently pulls oxygen into all areas of our lungs, which is more beneficial than shallow chest breathing. Deep breathing is more effective in pumping lymph fluid throughout the body, which stimulates self-healing. The lymph fluid contains immune cells which are targeted to fight bacteria and viruses. In addition, deep breathing shifts the production of brain chemicals which promote healing. And yeah, I'm not gonna say too much more, guys, on deep breathing, but what I'm trying to say is that it's like food. It's like it's God-given to us to be able to breathe deeply, like it's life. So it's alive. It's life. So don't miss the opportunity that you have while you're alive. That deep breathing is here for us. Like, our first resort doesn't have to be medicine or, going to the doctor. It's good sometimes when we can help ourselves. Corn, guys. It's corn. Tastes like they put sugar on it. So sweet. And guys, the people that I bought the seafood from at Spadina, they're reasonable, because the guy with the shrimp, I told him to make it $5, and I think he put like $1 something extra shrimp on it, and also I bought some small parrotfish, and he gave me an extra fish, so they're not bad salespeople. After I bought the seafood, I went across the road to see if I got a good deal. But when I crossed the road, the guy said his crabs were $10 or $15 more than where I bought it before. Because this guy I bought it from was $30-something a pound, and across the street was like $45 or $40-something a pound. So I did get a good deal. And also, I love corn. I love corn, guys. So guys, please don't hesitate to comment down below. Okay? Please leave a comment down below. You see the king crab? Why it's called king crab? Look how big it is. Look how huge the crab is, guys. So guys, your sauce, you can make it however spicy you want. You're spicing this, but not enough spice for me to be like big. No. I got my lemonade here. I have some leftover. I mixed it. So Jamaicans make lemonade with lime and sugar, but I did add a bit of lemon to this. And it goes perfect with seafood. And here's crab. Okay. I'm making my seafood boil for the first time. So can you. Okay? So can you. I truly am enjoying it. Cut my lobster. I cracked open all that meat, guys. Truly am enjoying this. Yummy. And shrimp. So guys, if you like direction and instruction on how to make the seafood, don't miss the video, okay? Here you have to buy crab, guys, but I remember in Jamaica, we catch crab. We went to swamp. I didn't know crabs were from the swamp. You know that muddy area? That's where we got the crabs from. And we wore water boots. But so guys, also like I googled in like why is seafood so expensive, and Google was telling me that it's because of what these people have to go through. You know, the extreme to get the seafood, whether it's a lobster or the fish or shrimp or crab. You know, sometimes I watch those guys on YouTube doing those spearfishing in Jamaica, and yeah, it takes a lot because you know those people could go under the water and not come back up. Anything could happen. It's possible. So you know, seafood is costly. For that reason. Guys, I love egg. Guys, thank you for joining me in another video, and don't forget about what I said on about the breathe breath. Okay, I don't want to make the video too lengthy, and I'm not gonna sit here and eat all of this. The way I see some YouTubers do, guys. Your food is only last me days. Okay. So I showed you the sweet corn. This is fresh corn. I bought that at the Asian store. And the same way, breathe. It's not just a normal breathing I'm talking about, guys. It's the breathing where you're going to take a deep breath. Your chest, from your chest, your belly, and let it all out. Okay? So the same way, breathing is very important. So is your rest. Your rest is very important. Because if we're sleep deprived, guys, then it results in sicknesses, in pain and discomfort. Because your body is not. Our body is smart, guys. Okay? A smartphone is not the only smart thing. Our body is smart. So whenever you're feeling pain or discomfort, it's not because your body doesn't like you or your body's not doing what it should. Your body's trying to say something to you when we're sick. Okay? Comment down below and let me know if you agree. It's trying to send a message to you. And sometimes you get that warning and you're still not eating properly. Like that. I'm guilty of that too, guys. Because you're enjoying so much what you're having, you're sweet, or salty, or junk food. The lobster, this is a lot of meat, guys. Truly a lot of meat. And I thank God for providing. And I ask that He continue to provide for all of us. Me and all of you guys. Yeah, this is so enjoyable. And also my lemons. I haven't been squeezing any lemon. Let me squeeze it a bit on the shrimp. And shrimp doesn't take long to cook, guys. Anywhere between 3 and 4 minutes, your shrimp is done. And then the lobster is about 7 to 10 minutes, depending on if you're working with frozen stuff, right? And yeah, the raw lobster and the crab is around the same time. So guys, I love you all, and please give the video a thumbs up, and see you in the next video. So guys, I'm still here, but what I'll do, I'll just eat until the camera stops. Okay? Until whatever amount of space is left. When the camera gives way, it will give way. The seafood, you can make as spicy as you want to have it. The egg. The first thing that I've done is the eggs. The 2 eggs. See how much I love eggs. And your shrimp. The minute it turns pink in your pot, the potatoes and the corn is filling. And I just want to thank God once more for providing. And guys, don't forget those people in St. Vincent and the Grenadines, to keep them in your prayer. Okay, because we all have to pray. We have to pray one for another. So guys, with this lockdown, guys, even the dollar store is closed. Okay, the dollar store, only food. You should only be going out for food. So comment down below and let me know where is it that you are on planet Earth. If wherever you are, if I would suppose it's the same for everybody. So guys, I don't know how some people sit and eat like a tray full of seafood throughout one video, because right now I'm full. I am full. But my seafood is not going to go to waste. And my corn is so sweet, guys. It really is. The frozen ones. Yesterday when I went out, I got fresh corn, so I bought the fresh ones. But I wasn't sure how the frozen ones would taste, because they have been in the freezer for a while. And look at the color. When corn is that color, you bet your dollar Is that how you said you bet your dollar? They're sweet. Corn. Truly is sweet, guys. It's sweet. Lobster is really filling, guys. The lobster, truly filling. Straighten the rest of my lemonade. So guys, they say this mug is a beer mug. I used to see them in Jamaica, but so I saw it in the Asian store the other day, so I bought it in Canada, and I bought it for my tea or for hot or cold. I love it. They're hard, and I just like the design and everything about it. Guys, I'm enjoying. I enjoyed the egg, the corn, the seafood, the the king crab, everything, the lobster, the shrimp. It's so good. You could make your sauce spicy if you'd like. And guys, guess what I got at I won't show it to you now, but I got at Spadina mixed spice. Can you believe it? Mixed spice. I remember I was using the mixed essence, and I finally got mixed spice. I was so happy. I ended up at Spadina for the seafood. Was not expecting to get mixed spice, and so that was a pleasant surprise. Let's see if I can find. Oh, see, here it is, guys. I found it not far. Mixed powder spice. I had to be using liquid mixed essence. And I'm so happy I have mixed spice. So when I'm baking now, your girl's got mixed spice. And they say eat potatoes is best in the skin. Cooked and eaten in the skin. It's healthier. So the shrimp head I don't like, so I cut the head off. Even though they say fish, guys, fish head is is the healthiest part of the fish, but I can't be bothered with fish head. I like the meaty part. I don't like the bone. Too much bone. So this scissors is helping out a lot. There, guys. So guys, the seafood is it's not a knife and fork business, okay? You eat with your hands. Some people eat with gloves, but I want to be licking my fingers. I want to be licking gloves. Let me taste my hot dog here. So some people make their seafood boil with no sausage or no egg, but I wanted to include everything. I don't need snails and mussels and those things, okay guys? If you even tell me if it's good, or if you're even gonna tell me how good it is, and no, I don't eat those things. For seafood, I eat fish, shrimp, lobster, crab. Yeah, that's about it. But octopus and those things, hell no. Excuse me, guys, but no, sorry. Snail, the conch. Nope. I don't care how tasteful it is, how you're gonna tell me it tastes like chicken or fish. No way. Can you tell, guys, the corn and that big crab leg, I'm leaving it for later. I want to enjoy my food. I don't want to be forcing it, okay? Well, I want you to see how juicy this is. How I'm enjoying it, juicy now. So good. I swear they must have put honey in this thing. This is that Jamaican sweet potato. It is so sweet. I really love those frozen corn, guys. I showed you the package of the Green Giant package in the video when I made the seafood. I'm telling you, the corn, the frozen one, corn on the cob, it's a 10 out of 10. Oh yes, indeed, it is a 10 out of 10. So guys, it seems